guys. So we have a thermostatic valve. I'd like to sit here for a minute, but this is his chair. We're trying to change the light bulb. This thing changes temperatures. And we're going to find out what's going on. So this should be set. Watch this. This should drain down. He's been big dogging it on me. Oh, you believe that landed on my shoe? Come on, man.
That's the life of the plumber.
All right. Eyeglass screwdriver out of the. Let me see your. Here we go. I want to take a picture of this position, this setup, as I take it apart. Regular screwdriver, CB. Flathead, yeah. Thanks, sir.
It's nice you put the chair in there for you.
I know. This is a nice little bonus.
I can get that.
Yeah.
You
All
have
right.
some in your van?
Uh.
I should have some, but it might be a little dry.
Yeah, just put a rag over that.
That looks just like the part.
Yeah. Now. Am I filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Looky here. Just like that, it wanted to move. It didn't do that a second ago, but okay. And then just like this. Oh, watch this. Here's our little horseshoe clip. Mowing style. Bang. Oh, you see it pop out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Boom. Very important. Watch this. Let's get that box out.
The one with that stuff?
Yeah.
This one you want? Or you want
No,
the whole thing?
no, the whole. Because we're going to use new ones of this.
New,
Let me see a pair of pliers. That's got to come out.
I accidentally took one of your pairs. Or your only pair.
No. Yeah, just lay that all right there. I'm looking for this. Look. It's in there. Pour that stuff, lay it all out on the floor. Real nicey nice. I might as well just take it out and see what we got. There you go, right? It might be caulked in the wall. Let's find out. Ah, no it ain't. Oh yeah. I gotta call Jim Cotton, man. Let's just get this apart.
You got a call?
Somewhat plumber. Oh, look at that. Adjustable. So what we're doing, open up the other two boxes and lay them out, please. I'm changing everything on this diverter. It's all packs too. Ooh. Ah, that was my hand. Damn it. I love hitting my hand on this tile shelf. Oh, there we go. It's all right. No parts in there. That's good news. Let me see the main Bozane.
Main Bozane.
The brass thing, yep. and the grease.
You want your grease or use theirs?
I'll use theirs. Open it up for me. There we go. I gotta tell you, I like my grease better. This is really thick, man. Damn. All right. Let me see that rag. Little baby. Okay. Hey, my grease, man. I'm not a fan. It's real dry. Alright, so what I did here, I changed the thermostatic cartridge. I'm changing 1, 2, 3, 4 while we're here. That's all we can do is text. Peace out. Yeah. Alright, here we go, guys. First try. Let's see what we can do. Oh. Wow. Is it supposed to be that easy? Does it even come out? Oh yeah, here it comes. Wow. 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 Here, hit me one.
This one? There's only 2 of these.
That's fine.
Okay.
When we got 2 of them, that's what we're doing. They were doing the big ones first.
These? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what was going
And
on.
they're both identical.
I thought that was a sprayer for this side.
Oh no, this is.
Gotcha.
I'm changing all the components on this, so there's no room for error. I want to make sure there's no water here. Oh wow, here we go, folks. This is the money shot right here. Wow. 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 Why is it moving, people? Pair of pliers, CB. Huh. don't want to ruin this, because if this is wrong, if they gave me the wrong piece.
So it looks different, right? Wait.
No, that's the handle.
Maybe when you push it in, it's spring
Oh.
loaded. It's spring loaded on this side.
Got you. All right. We're right. It's just probably a little corrosion or whatever. Oh, here it comes. See all the calcium, guys? Flux, grease from the guy who put it in. All right. That's one. Grease. I just want to stay in my lane with some grease. Let's look inside, make sure there's no funny parts in there.
Stay in your wheelhouse.
This is my wheelhouse. Let's leave it. Let's leave it unplugged. Yeah. I don't like how this moves around.
Oh my gosh.
All right, just a little grease on this O-ring right here, boys. See, I don't want to put a lot and get grease on that screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe it a little bit here. Just a little bit of grease. I gotta tell you, this Grohe product, built beautiful. Man, I don't like how it moves all over the place. Oh, you know what keeps it from moving?
When they were in, it was
That plate.
Oh.
Oh, look at that, boys and girls. All right, this is the hot side. Yeah, the plate.
That makes sense. Well, also, there's no way we were changing these without taking the plate off.
Oh, yeah. No, the answer. That question was answered.
Quickly.
Yeah. And luckily, I ain't got chip no tile this time, boys. Oh, look at this one. This one's really bad, guys. Come on. Be nice. See all the debris in there? Wow. Uh-huh. No wonder he wasn't getting hot water. Look at this.
Wow.
Yep. All right. New one.
Fuck that too.
No. Need some grease.
Just grease.
Just a little bit of grease.
Just grease.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit this time. Just a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. The funny part is I asked tech support. I said, hey, I'm going to change everything while we're here. I went through this before on the Grohe shower tower.
Change one part at a time.
Oh, brutal. Hours, days, trips. And they use a third-party parts agency, which they're good, but
Still another thing to do.
I learned my lesson. All right, bang. All right, done. All right, guys, lesson learned right now. These are shut-off valves. I just tried changing this without taking this out, and I had to remove this again and change that. When I changed it, I realized these are just two valves. So we changed two valves and this, which I'm waiting for my phone to charge up. I learned a quick lesson here, guys, that you can't take this piece out, which I discovered is the valve, because it hits this one. So I had to take the other one out. I did it already, but I want to show you what not to do. And I'm using this end because I actually trust it now. It won't break. So look. This is actually the valve to shut the water off. I didn't know that because I never read paperwork. So we're going to change it anyway. This way he's got a couple nice new valves here. And it might be boogered up anyway. Let's check it out. It's tired. New valve. Splash of grease only. And we're going. And the reason I discovered it was the valve because it kept going in and in and in. And I said, oh my God, this is genius. This is a valve. So we're just going to put it in like that, flush. And we're going to go up here and do this again, like so. Okay. But you cannot take the valves out, probably by design for somebody like me. I don't like this at all. Why is it doing that? All right, guys, we're testing this now. I have all the volume controls off. We're going to turn the water on. Okay. All right, guys, we got this together. We're having a hell of a time adjusting this thing. Is it possible that these stems can be reversed? Because point cold that way, hot to the left. It's actually getting hotter when I go to the right. It's pushed in that mechanism. Whew. I forgot to take a picture of how this was. I'm pissed off. No, this one. Yeah, it's only 102. Oh, it's definitely colder. Shit. Hot. This is how mine is at home. Hot to the left. Oh, there we go. What you got, tankless?
Want to check?
Yeah. $105, $104. I don't understand. Cold. Really cold.